Hey, what's up YouTube? Back with another watch unboxing. I've been doing tons of these lately, and I just happened to be kind of on a watch buying spree as of late, getting rid of a lot of stuff and bringing in some new things. So I got another unboxing for you. This one should be pretty cool. Definitely a first of this type of style for me. So gonna be kind of unique in that aspect. Again, got this one off of Amazon. They had a deal going on for this particular watch, and I couldn't pass it up, so let's pull it out of its case, out of the box here. Okay, man, big box. A little bit of damage there, that's kind of unfortunate, but I'm sure everything on the inside's fine. As you can see, it is a Laco, the German brand that specializes in Flieger World War II German style watches. So this is the Laco type B dial with the Miyota movement, and I got it in the 42 millimeters. Yeah, that's right. So this is called the Aachen, 340 euros. Let's open it up here. So this is the German style. Wow, that's a cool looking case. This looks different than the ones I've been seeing on YouTube. It seemed like the ones that I've been seeing were like a kind of a brown leather. Man, I like that. That's kind of a gray. I definitely prefer that. Very cool looking. I like when I don't know, some guys don't really like the cases and stuff, but I like them. I use them. As long as it doesn't take away from the watch and they're not spending all their money on it, obviously, but that's really nice looking. So this is the German Flieger style watch, used for pilots during World War II to obviously keep time, which is a very important thing to do as a pilot. And especially back then when they didn't have a bunch of computers and stuff, their pocket watches were even more important. So there it is. What is that? Man, is that dust? Let me clean this off, guys. That's terrible. Wow. Okay, so that's a little bit better. Let's just peel this off so that we can actually see the watch. Man, that's crazy. Okay, much better. So the Type B dial specifically has the inner ring is the hours, the outer is the minutes, and I believe on the Type A it's just the just like a normal watch on the Type A. So you've got the hours and the minutes on the back. I feel like it looks a little bit boring, and I kind of like the busyness of this dial, so I kind of prefer it. So Aachen 42 Laco 21 automatic, and there's the movement sapphire crystal on both sides. There's the onion style crown and nice leather strap, really thick. Laco, handmade in Germany, so super nice. I'm really impressed with it. I've got the warranty card with the serial number and everything. I'm sure you guys have already seen that, but it's not a very expensive watch, so it's not that big of a deal to me. Looks nice. I like the size. Very cool. Made in Germany. Got some natural light kind of coming through the window there. Yeah, it's a good looking watch. I like the thickness. Very nice. Signed buckle. And that Miyota movement ticking away. All right, that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching.